Welcome back to Living Gratefully. And if you're new here, I'm Kathy, and I just want to share a little bit about a pillow I've been trying out. I'm not trying to sell it to you. This video is not sponsored, but I thought I'd share a little bit about it in case it helps you out. My sister told me recently that she loves her pillows so much that she takes it with her wherever she goes. She goes on a camping trip, any kind of hotel trip, she takes her pillow with her. And I've taken my pillows sometimes with me, but sometimes I'm like, is it really worth it? I guess it's probably because I didn't think my pillow was that great, but she said hers is so awesome, she's not going a night without it. So I started asking her some questions about what makes this pillow so special, and she said it's the most perfect pillow, and it's a memory foam, and it also has a cooling feature, and she said it never goes flat. She's had it for years, and when I asked her where she got it from, she said Walmart, and y'all know I love Walmart, so I just went ahead and ordered me up one. It's $39.99, and I just got the standard size because I thought, even though we have a king bed, I'll go ahead and try the standard size and see if I like it, and I can always upgrade later. Now my sister sleeps on her stomach, and I sleep on every single position. So sometimes I'm on my stomach, sometimes I'm on one side, then I flip over to the other side, then I'm on my back. So I can't really buy a specific pillow for just a side sleeper or a stomach sleeper. But I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try and see if it worked for me. And it is really comfortable. So I have been using it for a few weeks, and I do really like it. It's really soft and squishy, and it doesn't go completely flat on you, but yet it's not too firm. So I think that's really great. So I've been enjoying that. It does have a cooling area, so if you really get hot at night, there's a cooling area on one side, and sometimes I flip it over if I'm not in the mood to feel that really cold area, but then if I get hot in the middle of the night, I can flip my pillow over and then I can feel the cooling side. It has a removable cover, which is great to just throw it in the wash. And my husband has the My Pillow, and he loves it, but it wasn't really perfect for me. I couldn't talk him into coming on to this video and talk about his pillow, so he likes the My Pillow. I like this memory foam cooling pillow. So we each have a different pillow. We also like different pillowcases too. He likes a satiny kind of pillowcase, and I like flannel. So if you've seen my video where I cleaned the master bedroom, I did talk about how we each have our different pillowcases. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have that video linked down below. But that just goes to show that each person has a different favorite thing, and why shouldn't we be comfortable with our pillow and our pillowcase, and why not take it on vacation with you to make sure that you sleep great throughout the night, even on vacation. So I feel like a little kid packing up my blankies and my pillow and my pillowcase and everything that I need to make me sleep good during a vacation. But we did recently take both of our pillows on our trip to Southport, and that video is coming soon. But we did sleep good on vacation, which of course you sleep better on vacation anyway, but if you struggle with that, I recommend just taking your own pillow, and if you want to give this one a try, go for it. I'll have it linked down below. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more videos from Living Gratefully. We'd love to have you join the Living Gratefully family. And if you've tried this pillow, or if you have a favorite pillow that you can't live without, leave it in the comments below. I'm curious to see what everyone is using and what their favorite is, or if they've used this one, and whether you like it or don't, just give us a comment and let us know what you think. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.